Welcome back, project execution budget tracking. Now I have an advanced category. So as mentioned, if you're a bit overwhelmed at this stage, feel free to skip this. We will be discussing earned value. So earned value is part of all the project management methodologies out there. It's a tool that you can use to track how is your project going. It's often explained in a very convoluted way. And this is where I really wanted to bring it down to its simplest form with two examples. The first one extremely simple, the second one a little bit more realistic. So let's do this. So earned value, it's the value of what you have already done. It's a value of the work that the project has already produced. So when we had a look at budget tracking previously, what we did was we calculated the estimate to complete, and we added actuals, and that gave us the estimate at completion. So that was in a way looking forward. What is left to be done? Earned value, it's more looking back. How have we been doing? But at the end of the day, that should give you the same result. Example. We have 5 houses to paint. This is our project. We have a contractor. We pay him $10,000 per week. And he or she tells us there's 1 week to paint 1 house. So you have 5 houses to paint. Your total estimate is $50,000. So what's important here is that's an estimate, 1 week to paint a house. So you say he or she tells you, well, it takes me 1 week to paint a house and there's 5 houses to paint, so your estimate would be 50,000. It seems quite straightforward. Now you come back 3 weeks later and your actual is actually 30,000 because you are paying this company 10,000 per week. So after 3 weeks, you have spent 30,000. But when you check, you notice only 2 houses have been painted, and the third one has not even started. So the earned value, which is the value of what we have built so far, is 20,000. Because we were expecting 10,000 expense per house. But now we only have 2 houses painted and we already paid 30,000, so it's not looking good moving forward. So here you go. So this is your first example.